Did you know that people spend over $150 billion a year on supplements? And a shocking chunk of that goes to products claiming to scrub your arteries clean like a plumbing snake for your blood vessels. Spoiler alert, your arteries aren't kitchen pipes, and that's not how cardiovascular health works. Welcome to Health Detective, where we investigate the wild claims your Uncle Bob shares on Facebook. Today, we're diving into the murky world of artery cleansing scams. Products that promise to vacuum plaque from your blood vessels while vacuuming money from your wallet. These products claim they can dissolve artery plaque overnight, reverse heart disease with a single tablespoon, or detoxify your entire cardiovascular system with a special herb found only in the remote mountains of whatever sounds freaking exotic. The reality, many of these supplements contain random herbs or vitamins with zero clinical evidence for cardiovascular benefits. Some even contain potentially harmful ingredients that could interact with medication. That all-natural cleanse might contain stimulants that raise your blood pressure, ironically making your heart health worse, not better. And the worst part is how these companies target vulnerable people, often seniors with legitimate health concerns, using fear tactics and false promises. Your doctor won't tell you this. They claim creating distrust in actual medical care that could help. Let's look at how these scams operate. First, they use pseudo-scientific language that sounds impressive but means nothing. Terms like arterial purification, vascular detoxification, or my personal favorite, quantum cellular cleansing, which apparently uses the power of quantum physics to clean your arteries. Who knew physics could actually do that? They'll show you before and after images of clean arteries that are actually just stock photos or completely different medical conditions. They'll parade testimonials from Dr. something or other, who turns out to have a doctorate in medieval literature, not medicine. And they love to cite clinical studies that either don't exist, were performed on 10 lab rats in someone's garage, or have nothing to do with the actual product. This ingredient was mentioned in a study once, becomes scientifically proven. I spoke with several cardiologists who explained an important distinction. Most so-called artery cleansers are complete scams with zero evidence. However, there are a handful of well-researched supplements that may help support arterial health as part of a comprehensive approach. These legitimate options include target compounds like K2, which helps direct calcium away from arteries and into bones, chelation therapies, Cavadix as enema, biodynamic using cellular enzymatic activities such as enzymatic substrates, and few to control inflammation, such as certain omega-3s that have demonstrated modest benefits in clinical studies. Few more listed below in the description. The difference? These supplements have actual peer-reviewed research behind them, reasonable claims, and clinical studies showing they can improve aortic health and increase arterial flexibility. They're backed by measurable results, not just marketing hype. Let me introduce you to Frank, who spent over $4,000 on various miracle artery cleansing products after experiencing chest pain. I was tricked by exaggerated marketing, Frank told me. It wasn't until I worked with you on an evidence-based approach, including proper enzymes, diet changes, and a few specific supplements, that I actually saw improvement. The truth is, cardiovascular health requires a comprehensive approach, proper medical supervision, a heart-healthy diet, regular exercise, not smoking, managing conditions like blood pressure or diabetes, and potentially specific evidence-based supplement. There is no magic bullet, but there are legitimate tools beyond the scams. The artery cleansing industry thrives on three things: medical misinformation, fear of serious health conditions, and the very human desire for an easy fix. But when it comes to our heart health, quick fixes aren't just ineffective, they can be dangerous by delaying proper lifestyle changes care. So if you've encountered these products or have questions about heart health, drop them in the comments below. And if you're concerned about your cardiovascular health, talk to an actual medical professional. I'm also available as a clinical nutritionist to work alongside your doctor to develop an evidence-based supplementation plan tailored to your specific need. Together, we can create a comprehensive approach that combines medical expertise with targeted nutritional support for optimal heart health.